Happy نەورۆز to all. دەشتان پیرۆز بێ، نەورۆزتان پیرۆز بێ، بەخێر بێن. Lord Mayor of West Midland, Sir Andy Street, distinguished cross-party delegates, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nowroz. We are delighted today to see you all here to commemorate Nowroz and celebrate it together. Nowroz is a great Kurdish festival. This festival is a sign for the beginning of a new year, a new beginning and a new resurrection for the mankind. Therefore, we are grateful that you are all celebrating this festival with us and want to see members of the Kurdish community as a sample of the thousands of Kurdish diaspora who have left their first country and made Great Britain their home country. Nowroz bears the true spirit of hope, compassion, and new beginning for the better day, a better season, and a better year. Let us renew our love, faith, and care for one another on this day. May this Nowroz and many Nowroz to come lead us to a far better world in harmony, peace, and happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take a look at the political situation in the four parts of Kurdistan on this important occasion. In Turkey, where the majority of Kurdish people live under oppression, violence, and denial of their basic human rights, there is illiberal government crackdown on decent and particular People's Party Hada. In Syria, in the areas under the Kurdish-led autonomous administration of North and East Syria, Rojava, the Kurdish people struggle to protect their achievements with continuous support from the United States and democratic Western countries. They continue to fight ISIS terrorists. In Iran, the political situation of the Kurds has changed like the rest of the Iranian people. The Kurdish people, along with all freedom fighters, continue their struggle under the slogan of women, life and freedom. The Kurdish of Iran constitute 1 out of 9 of total population, but 1 out of 3 of all the expertise are among the Kurdish people. In Iraq, continued disputes between the central government and KRG has negative consequences for all people. In addition, it is unfortunate to say that the Kurdish leadership in Kurdistan has failed to fulfill the aspiration of all citizens in the region. They have failed to establish the foundation of a modern democratic administration which respects the rule of law, human rights and good governance. Finally, we call upon the UK government to support the Kurdish question and fundamental freedom in Turkey and provide support to our people in Syria, to support our people in Iran in their peaceful way to achieve their freedom, to put pressure on the KRG to tackle corruption, respect the rule of law, respect human rights and fundamental freedoms. Thank you for listening and Happy New Year again.
کەناڵی BK4 کورد لە هەر کوێ بێ کەناڵی BK4 لەوەیە کەناڵی BK4